Presenting the Ford 2019 F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include tires, P275/55 R20 BSWAS included, 245/70 R17 all-season spare tire, 3.15 axle ratio, twin panel moonroof, tailgate step with tailgate lift assist, transmission, electronic 10-speed automatic included, selectable drive modes, normal tow haul snow Eco Select Sport, engine, 3.5 LV6 EcoBoost included, auto start stop technology. Gross vehicle weight, 750 pounds. Payload package 3.15 axle ratio, wheels, 20-inch chrome-like PVD, extended range 36-gallon fuel tank and trailer tow package included, towing capability up to TBD. Tailgate LED Class 4 trailer hitch receiver. Towing capability up to TBD on 3.3 LV6 PFDI engine, none.